Hola, Kati la singer de Sevilla otra vez. So this is Kati from Sevilla, from our studio. Again, we're going to our fourth micro class of flamenco. Today, I wanted to give like a small example about the alignments of the arms, okay? Of course, later in the classes, we will explain everything better. But just to check which is the base for the classical movements of the arms, okay? So we already talked about the posture in flamenco in the first class, which is high up, open chest, pelvis inside, strong abdomen to maintain us up without hurting our back and hurting ourselves, okay? The classical hand line and arm lines are quite similar to ballet, actually. That would be the classical. But in flamenco, we also break them a lot. So it's like the base where we start when we part, and then we can break it in a flamenco way. So it means that the lines that we have are very classical, like in ballet. It means in practice that when we lift the arms up, the shoulders must be down, the hands and arms are quite stretched, okay? When we go down with one hand, we come from where about we have our ombligo, like we say in Spanish, okay? And that would be the line where we also go up. Going down by side, coming in front, and going up. Going down by side, coming in front, and going up. When we're going down, we never break the line of our shoulder. It means we don't do it too back, because we would break the line of the shoulder. It must be more natural, where naturally your shoulder leaves you take down the arm, and we go in front. Okay? So it's very important to maintain your shoulders down and get the power for the movement from the abdomen. So not from our back, not like working with our muscles of the back, because we need to have power in here and have smooth and easy movement. Okay? That would be the first line movement, and then another day we go to the opposite line.